In the symphony of everyday life, the sound of an ATM dispensing money plays a surprisingly crucial role. It's more than just a mechanical noise, it's a well-designed audio cue that serves multiple purposes. First, it offers confirmation. The distinct sound reassures you that the ATM is in good working order and that your transaction is going smoothly. It's like a green light in the world of sound. Second, there's a psychological effect. The sound creates a sense of satisfaction, a touch of reward. Think of the clink of coins in a slot machine, that feeling of a win. This positive reinforcement subtly encourages you to keep using the ATM. Lastly, it's about accessibility. For individuals with visual impairments, this sound becomes an invaluable guide. It confirms that the transaction is proceeding as expected. So the next time you're at an ATM, take a moment to appreciate the sound of money being dispensed. It's not just noise, it's a carefully crafted user experience designed to make you feel confident and informed.